Rojas accepted the president's endorsement. He thanked President Aquino for endorsing his presidential bid. Fred reports.
The journey of local government Secretary Mar Rojas to the presidency was on track in 2009. However, it changed course to give way for President Aquino, for a country more than his personal ambition.
Maraming ginigising na alaala itong Club Filipino. Dito nanumpa si Pangulong Cory noong 1986. Nabanggit na rin ni Pinoy kanina, dito niya tinanggap ang panawagang mamuno at dito niya unang sinabing pwede na muli tayong mangarap. Dito ko rin unang sinabi ang mga salitang bayan bago ang sarili. Pamilyar sa akin ang dinaanan ni Pinoy. Naunawaan ko ng buo ang pagninilay na kinailangan niyang gawin noong 2009. Labas sa mga kilala talaga ako, kakaunting nakakaalam na hindi ko rin binalak pumasok sa gobyerno. May kapatid ako, si Dinggoy. Namatay siya noong 1993. Siya sana ang ambag ng aming henerasyon sa prinsipyong pamana ng aking lolo. Bayan bago ang sarili. Kakambal na ng dugo namin ang kaisipang ito. Ito ang idiniin ng ama kong si Jerry at ito rin ang idinidiin ko sa aking anak at sa aking mga pamangkin.
The president's endorsement officially launched the presidential bid of Rojas in 2016. For the past 5 years, the president and Secretary Rojas worked as a team to restore the people's faith in government, the straight path better known as Daang Matuwid. Rojas pledged to continue the gains of the president's program for good governance and sustained economic and inclusive growth.
I have never met a president who has been able to inspire so much confidence. Namuno po kayo sa pagsasabuhay ng mga paniniwala natin. Pinakita mo kung ano ang kaya nating marating gamit ang political will, ang paninindigan, ang pagkapit sa tama kahit gaano kalakas ang kalaban. Buong pagpapakumbaba akong nagpapasalamat sa inyo at sa ating mga boss. Hinding-hindi ako lilihis sa Daang Matuwid. Mr. President, nung Lunes sa SONA, sabi mo, simula pa lang ito, simula pa lang ang dakilang kwento ng sambayanang Pilipino. Ngayon, buong katapatan, buong loob at buong paninindigan kong tinatanggap ang tawag ng Daang Matuwid. Tulad ng nasabi po ninyo, Ginong Pangulo, simula pa lang ito. Laban pa rin tayo. Si Mar Rojas, tinatanggap ko ang hamon ng ating mga boss. Itutuloy, palalawakin, at ipaglalaban ang Daang Matuwid.
It was an emotional time for Rojas as he paused several times, touched by the president's endorsement to continue the record of service by his family from the time of the late President Manuel Rojas, his father Senator Jerry Rojas, and his brother Congressman Jerry Dinggoy Rojas, who died of cancer in 2003. Secretary Rojas gave up a promising career as a private banker in New York. He returned to the country, served 3 terms at the House, 1 term as Senator, Cabinet Secretary for 3 presidents. Rojas vowed to continue the family service to the country. Failure is not an option. Only the national interest will prevail.
Mr. President, kung alala po ninyo, noong 2009, nag-usap po tayo. Bago po ninyo tinanggap, natatakbo po kayo. Nagkasundo tayong isantabi ang personal na interes at isipin kung para saan ba talaga tayo nagsisilbi. Sabi mo sa akin noon, hindi mo pwedeng talikuran ang panawagang ipagpatuloy ang laban ng iyong mga magulang. Sa pag-endorsong ito, ang pakiramdam ko, ipinapasa mo sa akin ngayon ang mga ipinaglaban nila. Napakalaking karangalan ito at sumusumpa ako ngayon, hindi ko dudumihan ang pangalan nila at lalong hindi ko dudumihan ang pangalan po ninyo. Sa pag-endorsong ito, ipinapasa mo rin ang pangarap at lakas ng bawat isa sa 100 milyong Pilipino. Mga boss, hindi ko sasayangin ang tiwala ninyo.
The President's anointment of Rojas kicks off officially his journey to Malacanang in 2016. It was a time for family, friends, and supporters to celebrate and cheer and commit their support for Rojas to win the elections. It was a time for his mother, Judy Araneta Rojas, his wife, award-winning broadcast journalist, and his son, Paulo Gerardo Rojas, to be proud for Secretary Rojas and his quest for the presidency.
Very touched, very pleased, very proud of Mar. This is his calling. And when fate looks like this is the direction where it's taking you, then you must be very happy, right? So I'm very happy for him, and I will always stand beside him wherever he goes.
For the People's Television Network, this is Freddy Abando reporting.